Welcome back to my channel. Today we are preparing Jamaican chocolate tea. Yes, it's very tasty, guys, and it's a must try. And here's a run through of my ingredients. Here I have my cocoa. Yes, they made them in all different shapes. And there is my cinnamon sticks. And we have nutmeg and cinnamon powder, and there is my coconut milk, and we're going to add salt and sweetener of choice. And I want to take the time out to wish all my supporters happy holidays, happy new year in advance to you all, and I hope that 2023 will be much better than 2022. So just keep on watching, guys. Much love and respect to each and every one of you guys. Just keep on watching. Here we have come to the end of another video. Hope you guys enjoy this one and also will check it out. Please like, share with a friend, drop a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't. And if it's the first time coming on board, welcome. Appreciate you guys a lot. My returning supporters, much respect. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye for now. Happy New Year in advance again, guys. Bye bye.